My name is Catherine Horrigan, and I'm the Director of Summer Dance at Mason, which is a 2-week intensive program for students aged 15 to 22 who are looking to audition for a university program and eventually become a professional dancer. The day-to-day schedule includes daily ballet class and modern class with rehearsals. A unique feature of the program is the Art of the Solo workshop, as well as auditions and mock audition tips. And then we lead them through several rehearsals to prepare them for a culminating performance at a theater here on campus.